When the dirty water status indicator is on, it indicates the dirty water tank is full. Remove the twin water tank. Open the dirty water cover and pour out the sewage. Add clean water and shake to clean the sewage tank. Use the dirty water tank brush for stubborn stains. Then secure the cover. When the clean water status indicator is on, it indicates the clean water has been used up. Add clean water to the clean water tank, then add HIZERO cleaning solution as needed. Secure the cover and reinsert the tank into the machine, ensuring it's locked. When the operation status indicator is on, please check if the cleaning roller is jammed. Open the cleaning head lid to check the multi-roller, lift the roller clip to remove and clean it, then reinstall. When the operation status indicator is flashing, please check if the cleaning head lid is firmly closed or if the hair collection roller is jammed. Open the cleaning head lid to check and hair collection roller, ensuring the clip is secure. Please contact HIZERO if the issue cannot be resolved. When the battery status indicator is on, it represents a low battery level. The machine will shut down automatically if it is out of battery power. Press the cleaning head lid to lock it in place. Step on the machine, then push the handle to lock it upright. Use the assist wheels to position it on the base.